Alright, I just wanted to quickly show you how you embed a Google Meet into Canvas. It's really simple. But you would start in your Canvas, and then you would create either a page or assignment. I probably would create a page. My front page is this, so like it keeps showing up. But you go to View All Pages, and then Add a Page. And then it's just over here. So this little plug button, looks like a little plug. Click on it, and it has all these different apps that you can choose from, or extensions, and one of them is Google Hangouts Meet, so Google Meet. You grant it access, and it puts it in there. That's it. So the kid would see this and they could hit join Google Meet. So it's literally that simple. Now, I mean, if you could do it the other way, where you just make a Google Meet and it gives you the link, and then you would highlight it and paste it into a page. It's not that much easier, but I mean, took one less step. Like, I didn't have to go to Google Meet at all. I just went to this little plug and went done, and you'd hit save, and you'd have that little page with your Google Meet. That's it.